Hi, I'm Imran, and I hope you are well wherever you are. Today, I'm going to show you how you can automate your computer, laptop, desktop, and IT wholesale business. If you're moving lots of computers, desktops, and laptops and involved in some kind of wholesale IT business or retail business, you can make your operation very efficient by using automation. So we'll learn how to do the barcoding of the systems and create boxes, pallets, fully automated with the barcode labels. I will show you how you can collect all the information from large number of computers, desktops, and servers, such as serial number of the motherboard, serial number of the chassis, the capacity of the hard drive, the RAM serial number, the RAM manufacturer, and all the components that's installed in a typical computer or laptop. You can collect that information from large number of computers simultaneously, and it just takes less than 1 minute. So let me show you how it works. So you can see the barcodes on your screen. These are the barcodes for the pallets, boxes, and individual items. Okay, so you can see on your screen we have number of computers. They are Dell Optiplex. So what we're gonna do, you see the labels are already printed. These are the new Fujitsu computers. So we have printed the labels and attached those labels to the systems. So you can do exactly the same thing without even touching the keyboard or without installing any software, even without installing any operating system. You can automate OS installation, barcode label printing, the complete inventory, and you have complete information on your fingertips. So you can see these laptops, they have the labels printed as well. So, you can do exactly the same by just push of a power button. All you have to do, just connect the network cable to the system and boot large number of systems simultaneously from network, and the label will be automatically printed. So let's begin with the process. So you see we have two desktops on your screen and one laptop. So we're going to do the inventory. So this is the NES server dashboard. And on the other side, this is one of the management console. So this laptop, we're going to boot it from the USB because it doesn't have physical network port. So once it boots, it will transition to Wi-Fi network automatically. So let's begin booting these two desktops simultaneously from network. So let's come to the laptop and we're gonna boot it from the USB key because it doesn't have the network port. So this is the system, the management system dashboard. Um, so let's start. So we're gonna boot from the USB. It's booting up, and we're gonna do the other two systems at the same time. So they will boot from the network. So you see the laptop is booting up, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi automatically. We haven't installed Windows OS, nothing at all. It's a complete brand new laptop. And you see the label is automatically printed. So all we did just booted from the network through the USB, and it's simply printed the barcode label. So imagine if you have 100 laptops or you have 1,000 laptops, you can boot them all at the same time and they will do exactly the same thing. They will print. So we can install the Windows just with a few clicks. Just select the version of Windows, select the image, and just let it go. It will install the Windows within 3 minutes without installing drivers, without touching the keyboard. All the drivers and everything will be installed automatically across all 100 systems. So you see these two systems are booting up. So they're going to do exactly the same thing. They will boot up and print the barcode label and will install the Windows automatically. And once these systems are done, we can push these systems to eBay. You can see on the dashboard we have performed inventory on 854 systems. So once these systems are done, the inventory count will increase, and you can run the report. So you see the label is automatically printed for the desktop. So we can peel this label and attach it to the laptop, to the desktop. So we've done that. Once the desktop is completed, the other one is completing the process now. The label will come out just now. The label has come out, and we can simply peel this label and attach it with the second desktop. So just imagine if you have, 1,000 systems, you can repeat this process across all 1,000 systems, and it will, collect all the information from all 1,000 systems at the same time. So you see the serial number is matching up on both the screens, so you can correlate the barcode label with the screen. So you see the inventory, the count has increased. So let's run the report. So if you go to report, select the dates, and we're gonna go a bit back to 2024. Select the dates, and select the customer and the badge and click view report, and you have all the information. So it gives you in vendor, the category, the model, the serial number, screen size, resolution, CPU model, CPU, the generation, the Core i7 5, and the Gen, and also, the RAM information, DDR2, DDR3, DDR4, and 5, and, the serial number of each RAM module, the manufacturer of the module, and give you the information about the hard drive and all the components on the motherboard. You can see we have number of inventory items. So the hard drive manufacturer information is displayed and the serial number is displayed. If system has more than one hard drive, let's say four hard drives, all the information from all four hard drives will be collected and stored in the database, and you can view that information on the report. So the next part is the battery information. This is very important. So it tells you the battery health, the manufacturer of the batteries installed, is it lithium, the firmware of the battery, the technology used, the design capacity, the current state of the battery, is it charging, the discharging, or not charging. So the design capacity and the remaining capacity and remaining life of the battery as well. So all that information is displayed. We can do the conditional grading of the laptops automatically by asking question to the user, and based on the answer, we can do the automated grading as well. You can write your own comment for each item when it's booting up, so that information, the comment will be stored in the database and can be viewed on the reports. So guys, this is how easy it is. It's so easy. So let me show you how you can sell these systems automatically on eBay without writing any description, title, or any of the item specifics. These can be pushed to eBay straight away by scanning the barcode. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so we want to sell this laptop on eBay. So all we have to do is scan the barcode into the management system, and you can view all the configuration of that system, serial numbers, all the config. So once you see that, you can upload the photos for this system. Let me show you how to do that. So you can see all the specifications are already there. So let's go back uh, and show you how to upload the photos. So click on photos and images and select upload photos, and you select scan the serial number of the computer with the barcode scanner. So once you've done that, uh, so we've done that, you can see on the management console, we have all the information. Scroll down at the bottom and then select the photos. So choose files. So we're gonna choose some laptop photos that I've already taken. So you can do this process from your mobile phone. So you can take the photos at the same time and just upload it through the phone. It's pretty straightforward. So we're gonna select these four photos, and we're gonna click on upload images. So these will be uploaded to the NIS server. So they have been uploaded. We can go back and go to audit report. In the audit report, we can simply scan the system that we want to sell on the eBay, and we have already uploaded the photos for this system. So let's view the photos first. So scroll down all the way at the bottom, and you can see we have all the photos uploaded. So let's go and push this system to eBay. It's pretty straightforward. So all you have to do is just click. There's a button called click, push to eBay online, push to online eBay. Click that. Select your eBay account. We can have multiple accounts, like 10 accounts or 20 accounts, eBay accounts. So select the account, select the design template for the description. Decide the price. So in this case, we're going to sell this one for 4.99. Then the quantity. Select the quantity. Let's say we have 10 pieces, and you can write your own special comment. So let's write something regarding the laptop. This is a good laptop, or this laptop is not so good, it's missing some keys, or whatever. So write that comment. So let's write, this is a badass laptop. So once we've done that in mint condition, so let's do that. um, Nearly done. So after we've done that, we're simply going to click submit, and it will be pushed to eBay. So we don't have to write nothing at all. It will be, writing description and everything else automatically. Okay, so change the comment to keyboard key is broken. So let's click on submit. So you can see this listing is successful. So we simply click on view listing on eBay. Let's click that and see what happens. So you see, we haven't even opened the eBay. We didn't upload, we didn't do anything manually. So everything is uploaded automatically. You can see the title is written automatically with the right, the inf with the right information. Then we have the price. Then we have all the photos uploaded, and all the item specifics are already there. So let's scroll down a bit and show you. So you see this one here, the item specifics like processor information, the hard drive information, all that information such as the processes, generation, everything is there. So you can see the description. The description contains 100% accurate information. And we didn't write this, so it was done automatically by the system. So from starting from initially, you can see you see we wrote keyboard key A is broken, so that's displayed as well. So if you want other information to be displayed in eBay, we can do that. The system is very flexible. So you see we haven't done, anything manually. All we did was boot the system from network, the information is collected, and then we install the operating system. That was pretty straightforward, took only 3 minutes to install. And then, we would just simply click one button and the item is automatically pushed to eBay. So how easy it is, it doesn't get easier than this, guys. So you can process hundreds and hundreds and thousands of systems automatically. You don't need a large number of people managing your warehouse or your business. All you need is just one person doing the whole operation automatically. So we can do exactly the same thing. We can push these items to your Shopify store, Amazon store, and as well as your own website if you have one. So this feature is not available as we speak now, but it can be developed per the customer's requirement. So let me show you how you can create pallets, how you can create boxes, and trade your boxes and pallets automatically by scanning the barcodes. So to create boxes, we will need a number of computers. So let's begin by going to the box, create box, and simply start scanning the barcode labels from the inventory computers. So we're going to scan the first one, that's done. And you see this serial number is scanned. You can see the serial number on the screen. So let's do the second one and continue to do with all of the systems. So we can scan number of desktops, laptops, and all that. So let's do this. We're nearly done with these Apple Mac Minis. That's done. So this is the last one. That's done. Now let's do the laptops. So here we have this laptop. We scanned that one. Let's do the next one. That's done. Let's do. There's two more to go. Let's do this one. That's done. Let's do the next one. That's done. So we have scanned a number of systems. All the serial numbers are displayed. So click submit. Once you do that, you can see the box content verification. If you're happy with the content, you can see all the contents down there. Click on create box and box is created. The box number is 11 and you can see all the content. So now let's print. We can print the barcode label for this box. Let's do that. While we do that, you can see all the information, all the breakdown, all the serial numbers, the hard drives, the RAM, and the breakdown by manufacturer, how many systems we have by the RAM, by processor, you know, all that information is displayed on your screen. So let's uh, print the barcode label. Select the warehouse. We can have multiple warehouses. So this printer belongs to warehouse one. So let's do that. Print the barcode label, and there you go. The barcode is printed. So we can stick this barcode label to the box and we can pack all those laptops and desktop that we scan in that box. So you see this box, we can simply attach this label to the box. So you see on the label, it displays all the content of the box. So we exactly know how many Lenovo's with 4 GB RAM we have, how many Lenovo's we have with 8 GB RAM. So all that information is displayed. So, if we want to create palette, so let me show you how we can create palettes. So simply start scanning. So this is the first box. So we scan that box. And now we can continue to scan the other boxes. Let's say we have 10 boxes or 15 boxes, and we want to pack all those boxes on a pallet. So we can do it that way. So click submit, and you can see all the pallets, all the boxes that we're going to pack into that pallet. So you can see the pallet is created. So let me show you how it works. So to create palette, we have to go to the create palette button, click the button, and once the page is open, you can start scanning the boxes. So previously, you saw we scanned the individual laptops and desktops to create boxes. So boxes are created. Now we can create the palette. So we have to scan the boxes. We scan the boxes, and you can see we have a number of boxes that's displayed on the screen. So once we have that information, you can review what each box contains. So you can see total laptops in one box. This giving you the breakdown by the laptops. We have these number of Apple Mac Minis, and breakdown by RAM, processor, the generation, CPU generation. So all the information is there. So you can see we created a palette. The palette is created, and we can simply print the content of the palette. Let's print the barcode label for this palette. Let me show you how to do that. So you can review the content of the palette, gives you the breakdown by each box, and the palette is created if you click the palette button, and then you can print the barcode label. So you can see this palette is number 31. See, the barcode label will be printed just now. Just give it 1 second. Uh, yeah, print barcode label, and you see the barcode label is printed. This is for the palette. So you can attach this label to the palette, and there's 98 systems in that palette. And when you move this palette, all you have to do just scan the barcode label from the palette, and you know exactly what you're sending it to your customer, and the customer knows what exactly he's buying because he's got the PDF file, or he's received the information via email, or you have given him the information by printing onto white paper. So he knows exactly what serial numbers he's buying, the serial number of the RAM, serial number of the hard drive. So you can see we're scanning the barcode from the palette. So let's do that. And exactly there's 5 boxes in that palette, and we have 98 systems. Total notebooks are 84, desktops are 9, and the breakdown by the model number each, and then breakdown by processors and the CPU generation, then the RAM 36 4 GB DDR3, 38 DDR4, and the hard drive 74 500 GBs. So we have that all that information. So if you scroll down, you can see all the information for 98 systems. So it gives you the barcode for the box, for the palette, and the system information. There's 98 systems altogether, giving you the complete full breakdown. So guys, this is how you do it. It's pretty straightforward. You can print this information or create a PDF and send it to your customer. So going into the box, you can do the trading. You can sell a box to a customer. So let's sell a few boxes to a customer. So let's say we want to sell these 2 boxes. So all we have to do just scan the box labels, the box barcodes, and sell these systems. So fill in the information that for the customer, and click submit, and you can see this is sold. So following IT equipment has been sold to test customer. And it gives you the breakdown, what exactly is being sold. And all this information, the sale information, everything is stored in the database, and that you can view later on. So you see, we can sell it by one box. We can sell one single laptop to a customer if we want to do that. So you have the full control. So let's see if we want to view if we want to return these boxes to the warehouse. If the customer brings back these boxes saying, I don't want these systems, so you can scan those and return it to the warehouse. So they become available again to sell it to another customer. So that's how we do it. So if you want to, sell a pallet, you can, scan the pallet and, sell the pallet to a customer. So that's how you do it. So pretty straightforward. So following IT equipment sold to a customer, that's how you do it. Pretty straightforward. So guys, you have seen we have created boxes, we created pallets, and we sold it to customer. Then we returned some of the equipment back to the warehouse. So you can see we have this trading portal. So we can run reports if we want to see, how many boxes we created, or how many boxes we sold in the past. So you can go and run a sales report. In the sales report, you can see we have number of items that we sold. So you see, we sold 199, 8 systems, 712 system, 450 system, 499, 150, and all that. And the system that's returned from a box display are displayed in red color. And if you click on that red color, it will show you exactly what was returned by the customer. So you see, we clicked on one sales report, and we can see we sold these many boxes to this customer. So if you want to dig down further into the report, you can simply click the barcode, and it will show you what exactly was in that box that was sold to a customer, previously. And you can store the photos of each box within the database. So you see this here, this photo was deleted unfortunately, so it's not showing up. So, but if the photo is there in the DB, it will show you. You can upload the photos the same way as we did for the eBay. So, all the information is on your fingertips. The historical information, the what you have in the warehouse. So you can sit back in your house, use your mobile phone to manage, or use your tablet or laptop, connect through the VPN, and relax. And all the information is on your fingertips. Thank you.